Apolokton Zonal Debate and Literary Phronesis ngesi abalebe etolomtosi kesi epeget lo kotoma akona akirot ai chakun iponesho lu epol na mam edaunika aingareni kini isuban edeke.
We crafted a theme that is cost-cutting every aspect of life, that will be able to patch up all the holes that COVID-19 caused. And the theme we resolved to have is championing sustainable development goals and stewarding God's creation. That is the theme. So from there we say now the activities that are going to run for this first edition of secondary schools will be debate, poetry, quiz and writing. This activity commences on 24th of April is when schools reported, and will climax on 1st May when they will depart. Nevertheless, the grand finale, the finals, will be on 30th April at Bethany Convention Center in Kumi.
Reverend Dr. Michael Okwakol, a director lo African Church Empowerment Ministries Okumi District ngisi abalebe ebunina aikeu na ijeni pastan ka imakyo lumolo epote.
You know, in the church we need good teachers, we need good preachers, preachers who have content, preachers who can compose a message, preachers who can deliver that message that goes into the people. And the debate skills, the writing skills, the poetry skills all help in sermon delivery. They all help in delivering the message from the Bible. The Bible message needs all those skills. And the pastors and the preachers who are going to excel are those who are exposed to this kind of skills.
Director lo atukot na Anita Foundation Rose na kito ngesi abalebe engarakisi ipegeta kwa natkalu itunga au misho aikamanara.
When you talk about debate, there is a lot that we get to know and learn from debate. One, there is a lot of interaction. There are many schools that have come.
Konye eja acheda enyala Esisiak.
Really what these people have given me has inspired me, has taught me a lot, and I really see myself changing.
To those that ain't here, actually they're missing, because this is a full package, not only debate, writing, poetry, but an experience, a leader. They are teaching leaders right now. I'm different from those that did not come. So all I can tell other schools, they should be here next year.
Kanoka TV East, Juliet Akelo, Bukedea.